The manufacturing environment is so engaging and challenging, and at the same time, it's very collaborative.
I love innovation, and why not be part of an industry that tries to adjust to the customer's needs in the market?
BASF's really special because they give you the opportunities to take big leaps.
From the outside, people can't see what a family we are and how much we care for one another. And I think that once you get on board, you recognize just how tight the family is here.
Our job is to listen and understand what the customer's needs, develop the solutions, and then produce and deliver it better than anybody else.
Manufacturing is a place where you can bring together people, machines, technology, and really look at how do you bring them together and capture the synergies to creatively solve problems.
Filling our talent pipeline with diverse talent, whether it's female, whether it's minorities, whether it's people from different areas, different perspectives, it's diversity.
It's about having people who are different, who think differently, who inspire differently, who talk differently.
Old solutions sometimes cause for new ideas, and we need new people coming in with different perspectives so that we can take those ideas and we can apply them and get a new way of doing things. It's about being interested in finding out what makes you different and how you fit into the organization and how the organization can help you succeed.
A great representation of women in our manufacturing leadership. We have great representation in our technology and development and engineering side.
You may not see a lot of people who look like you in the field right now, but that doesn't mean that you don't belong there.
I also have pursued my MBA since I've been with BASF, so they've worked with me on that time to provide me the opportunities to go to school and still have a career.
Balancing work and family and a career is always a challenge. The important part is having a partnership and prioritizing, in some cases, your family over your career, recognizing that sometimes it works the other way as well.
I have never before seen a company that was so caring about work-life balance and ensuring that their employees have a healthy home life.
BASF is really good about giving you the staffing and the support that you need to make sure that you have a work-life balance. The different groups of people get resources through groups such as Parents at BASF, Diversity, Inclusion, Emerging Professionals. They have team building or group type exercises where you get to know people. It's kind of a sharing of experiences.
Manufacturing has just been so male dominated, and now you see women coming in more in the manufacturing roles, engineering roles, safety roles, where we have a different perspective.
With new ideas, with new innovations that we come up with, we are moving the society forward.
If you like chemistry and you enjoy doing the things that you do in like a chemistry lab in high school or college, then you will definitely enjoy doing that on a larger scale.
Be true to who you are, value the differences you bring to the table, and don't be afraid to be an individual.
Remember 3 things. Be authentic, have a good story, and then finally, do your work excellently.
BASF. We create chemistry.